Hello lovely people, welcome back. And what's gonna be in dinner today? So I was thinking to teach you guys something back from home. It's my family recipe and it's called Memoni curry. It's quite straightforward, but it's a good combination of carbohydrates, protein, calcium, and it's very tasty. That's the main thing. So it's a full meal and I am pretty sure that you guys are gonna love it. So let's get started and I'll let you know what are the ingredients and the method. So for this curry recipe, you are going to take half a kg of yogurt. In that, you're going to add 1 tablespoon of cumin. Now add quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder. Then add 2 to 3 green chilies. And finally, a whole pot of garlic. Add 2 leveled tablespoons of gram flour and now blend everything together. Add the blended mixture in the preheated pan and let it boil. We are going to serve our curry with lentil and rice risotto. So for that, take 2 cups of rice and 1 cup of red lentils. So it's always a proportion of 2:1. So our curry is boiling and now it's time to add bhagar into it. That is basically fragrant oil on top of it, so it gives it a very nice taste. For bhagar, I have taken whole red chilies, some cumin, some curry leaves, and in that I'm going to add butter. With that, I'm going to add some oil. And I am going to heat it till the point all the spices start releasing. In the curry, I'm going to add and then I will add it to the curry. Also add a teaspoon of salt. And now at this point, I'm going to add the bhagar, which is the fragrant oil. So for the risotto, I've added some water in rice and red lentils, and I've added some salt as well. And now it's time to add some whole spices. That includes your black cardamom, some of your cloves. With that, you are going to add 1 star anise, and in the end, we are going to add cinnamon sticks. Here we go guys, our Memoni style curry is ready to serve. I'm going to serve this curry with some risotto that I just made. Along with that, I'm going to serve some lemon pickles and few papadums. For the complete recipe, go to the attached YouTube link, and for more interesting stuff, subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram. Till next time, take care and good night.